Okay, so we're moving down our list here. We've completed 14 steps of our 18. We're up to step 15, and now we're just going to continue with the Search Console. And for the purpose of this exercise, I've actually shared that this document here. As you can see, I'm still logged in under DWA4 at Gmail. Normally I wouldn't be able to see this, but just so I can make this demonstration easier, I'm going to be logged in for both so that I can go to the Search Console and look at our document at the one time. So here we're just going to be adding our sitemaps to the Search Console, and that's what we're going to do next. So to our Site tab, and then we're going to scroll down and just click on BWP Sitemaps. And as you recall, this is our sitemap index here, and if I click on that, it's actually going to open that up, and we'll see we've got these sitemaps here that we're going to be loading. Now I've got a really good shortcut for making this a very quick process. The reason why there are so many sitemaps is that Google works better when there's only a maximum of number of references or pages of 5,000. So because we've got almost a 30,000 page, a 30,000 post site, BWP sensibly breaks this up. So we're looking at part 1 through 6 plus this taxonomy category. Now, in order to make this process quick, it's a good idea to have 2 text documents set up just with this last part, right? So post 1 and taxonomy category. So if we copy that and then have a text document set up, and you'll see mine here in just a moment once I clear all these things out of the way, you'll see that I've got them here. There's 2 of them, and the reason why I've got them as 2 is I paste in both references and then I select them so that at any time I want to copy and paste from them, all I got to do is just click that and then do Command C or Control C if you're on a PC. I'll click that one and Control or Command C to copy it and quickly paste it back in. So I'm going to start with this one. So I'm just going to copy, and then I'm going to go back to the Search Console. I'm going to come down to Crawl and add a sitemap. Click on Add Sitemap, select the box, and then paste that in. Now there is 6 of them, and I'm just going to go through this process 6 times, and I do this for each site. And if I was doing this on multiple tabs, I'd go through this process 1 through 7 for each site, and then before I move to the next one, then the next one, the next one. So add another one. I'm going to paste that in. As you can see, all I've got to do is just simply select there, delete, add in 2, and click submit. When I refresh that page, that will update that one from pending. As you can see, if we scroll down, that one has got 5,000 in part 1, and this one is in a state of pending, so we're going to add another one. We can do this all the way through to 6. Paste that in, 3. And if at any stage you're not sure as to what number you're up to, it's just a simple matter of scrolling down and taking a look here and saying, oh, okay, so I've done 3. Next one will be 4, because it's pretty mind-numbingly boring at times doing this, and you'll forget just where you're up to. So that's just a quick way of seeing what number you're up to. So now we've done 4. We know we're going to do 5, and there's one more after 5 because that will make the 6. And that will give them all of us in there. Then we'll go back to our text document in just a minute and copy and paste over the very last map we need to be putting in. So I'm going to click submit, I hit refresh, and as we scroll down, we'll see that we've got 25,000 pages submitted for the index, and that last one there is pending, so that would take the number up if we refresh the page again. So before we do that, we'll just simply click on add it on the sitemap. We'll select that box there. I'm going to go back to my text document. Now, because it's already selected here, all I got to do is just go Command C, copy it, go back, and then paste it in and click submit. I'll refresh the page. That then will show me 29,823 pages have been submitted, and this is for these large sites. And that last one just has 50 in it, which is the taxonomy category XML. And that is simply all we need to do for setting up the Search Console. You do this one side at a time, and then move to the next one, and just step and repeat the process. And each time you just go back to that text document and change between here and here, where it's already being selected like that, or you can copy and paste really quickly. Okay, and that completes step 15. So go ahead and do that now before moving on to the next step.